Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Please, somebody should help me tag Okija Shrine right now. Tag Akunara to go right now. This is an emergency. This is an emergency. Help me tag Akunara to go right away. Help me tag Akunara to go right away. Governor Zoku is here. Come on. Come online, fans. Come online. Come online. There's an emergency. There's an emergency immediately. Help me share this video. Help me tag. Share this video. Share this video right now. Tag Okija Shrine for me. Tag Okija Shrine for me. Tag Akunara to go here right now. Right now. Somebody should help me do this. Governor Zoku is begging you this for the very first time. Help me share this video. Tag Akunara to go. Tag him. Tag him. Tag him right away. Help me share this video. Share this video right now. Share this video. There is a woman they call Jennifer Okere. Jennifer Okere. She's at Ogugwapo Shrine right now at the place of Akunara to go. At the shrine, the place of Akunara to go right now. This woman is being billed 700,000 naira. The information getting to me right now is that this woman was summoned there and forcefully right now they are telling the woman to pay the sum of 700,000 naira. So let's try this information. I just got her number and I have to call this woman to ask her where she is right now. Right now. You see, there's no network in Okija. As I speak to you now, there's no network in Okija. Okay, Kelechi, her husband's name is... Her name is... okay. The husband's name is Kelechi Ebere. These people are now... Now, right now, those people are at the Ogugwapo Shrine right now. They are forcing this woman to collect the sum of 700,000 naira. And I'm going to call Akunara to go here. Jennifer, before the people will start calling Akunara to go. Now, kwa yena dia so Ghana that Ogugwapo, the shrine now. Send their number there right away. They need to live there right now. They need to live there right now. So Akunara to go Nebilia 700,000 naira. Help me share. Hello, sir. You number your sister Adiaga, the husband, encourage number there.
Yes.
Okay, can I call the husband?
Of course.
Because send the number to me now. I need to remember first. Let it be very obvious. Don't at that shrine. He say go like Akunara to go bill your sister.
If all the bill here now, 750,000 naira. In fact, also now those names starting at the list instead again. Now each of them will pay 750. The points now go these people. So I know we have to now go if I know. Not first for my sister Gabu. Now they also for appear there that he can forgive them. Now my sister be will not put the 750.
Okay, after your sister money who say then Haga today against and who say Akunara to go see your sister got 700,000.
750,000 before you born on the case.
Before you born on the case already. Alright, yes. Send me your in-laws number. Before I start calling Akunara to go live on camera right now. Enough of this nonsense in our land. Thank you. Thank you for bringing this information to me. Now, Ota, if not that you reached out to me now, may decide they have to come up online and take up this matter right now. A lot of people will not believe. People will not believe. That junkie now.
I'm going to be a nightmare to those criminals, more local even now.
Please.
To somebody close to me.
Send the Arab number. Send the Arab number that's your in-law right now. Right now. They need to leave a guapo right now.
Yes, I said one of my sisters don't begin on what they only get follow this my kind of case.
Send there. Let me call them. You see, tomorrow I put us in AGC this and that. Very nonsense people. Very nonsense people. For there. Well, let me look for Akunara Tugo's number here and call. See you before I take up any matter. To avoid tomorrow, Governor, they fight. They get this thing. They get break. You begin the fight. Well, let me show you. It has stamp. It has stamp. Look at this. Let me see if I can comment it there. You see? The name of the person who summoned them to this shrine is written here. He said, High Chief Akunara Tugo Ugomiri of Ezike, son of Chief Asian something. Okay? Now look at the date here. On the 3rd of January 2023. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? So currently now, Akunara Tugo is staging these people to collect 700,000 naira. Help me share this video until it gets to him. I believe in less than 5 minutes, they will go and give Akunara Tugo phone. Somebody watching this video will tell him. And Akunara Tugo, you know, 700,000 naira la kubuogi. Since you are very, very stupid. These are the things. And nobody believes me. Now, married women, their name were listed and they told them they summoned them to a shrine. These people left what they were doing to come and answer there. And you are billing the woman 750,000 before you will even start saying something about the matter. Okay, I have another of her sister's number now, Oluchi. Let me call that one now. They just sent to me. Let me call. With threats. Outside 750,000 naira. The information getting to me now has it that they have been spending money even since morning. They'll be telling you, native doctor, they are this and that. Ndi Oshi. You are high chief Akunara Tugo. Hold on, guys, let's call.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off.
You see, where they are now, there is no network.
Thank you.
There's no network. Well, let me call the woman's husband and see if her own number will also go. All these people are currently at Oguguabu, at the place of Akunara Tugo. Akunara Tugo. Our government, I don't know why you people are keeping quiet. I don't know why you guys are keeping quiet. These guys are moving about free. Now, upon threat and everything, help me share this video until it gets to area command. Orifite. Till it gets to the attention right now. This is pure kidnapping. Alright? Iya ka Akunara Tugo na aru n'ime ohia ebe ahụ ọ ga-anọrọ.
Hello?
Hello? Ndewo.
No.
Mr. Kelechi. Onoka na Okija. Are you still in Okija?
Talk to me.
Okay, your brother gave me your number. Said that you people went to Okija.
What's your brother?
Hold on. Let's see if the woman's number will go direct. Okay, that's also good. Let's see if the woman will pick. Ogugwapo. Shrine. Ndara nderi. Nderi. Ndara nderi. Hold on, people should stop calling me. Let me see if this number will go. Akunara Tugo, I know you are here now. I know you are watching this video. There is a lady by name Oluchi. She's at your place now with a man they call Kelechi. Mr. Kelechi and the wife, Oluchi, and 3 other persons. They are at your shrine right now. They are at your shrine right now. You have built one. I think it should be Jennifer, you build 750,000 naira right now before getting on Noku Haji Wetana your shrine. Akunara to go that 750,000 naira. Konye ready the money.
Please try again.
Konye ready the money. Obaro Sigin ready this money. Ko Bogiman ready this money now. Okay, I wish to know. Okay, Lende list. These are the names of the people now. They have currently at Ogugwapo Shrine there. Hello? Hello? So these are the names of the people they listed, the people they have on board there now at that particular shrine. They have Chinonso Opara, Charles Opara, Oluchi Opara, Ima Opara, Uche Opara. So this Oluchi right now, her husband went there with her. The husband's name is Kelechi. All of them are there at the shrine of Ogugwabo now, or what do they call this guy? Okay, these are the names. These are the names. These are the names. So they have these people currently now at Okija Shrine. And at first, Akuna Ratugo just said minutes ago that Akuna Ratugo, for your earliest information, in case if you think or if you want to start seizing their phones there now, thinking that those people you have in that shrine they are the ones giving me this information, brother, halas, your way to no reach. So no be then they give me information, make you know feel hot them. Oh. So Kelechi, okay. So you understand? Okay, onye tụrụ ha ọmụ atụ na ihu arụsị awụ Kelechi Ebere. Kelechi Ebere wa ahụ onye nke tụrụ ọmụ atụ na ihu arụsị. Ọ dịka ya onye mkpọrọ na because nọmba ya nọ. So na nọmba isendela m. So 23rd January, all of them are there now. So Akunara Tugo, how come all these people you have currently now in your shrine? Ebi na na-eri ndị mmadụ. Why did you now build only Oluchi Opara, only her? Why did you build this woman 750,000 naira before you can start deliberating over it? Why? Why? Hold this phone for me. Hold it. Let me get information. Let me open my phone and get information. Okay. You understand? This is what's going on there now. So Akunara Tugo, why are you charging them 750,000? As I speak to you now, he has noticed I'm online now. So these people are about leaving that shrine. Okay, they are about leaving the shrine right now. Thank you. So you get what I'm saying now? He's about discharging them in this shrine. So Akunara Tugo, I challenge you. Governor Zoku is live telling you now that if anything happens to those people you have there, these names now, these people are currently in your shrine. If you task them any kobo, help me share this video. Mention and tag Akunara Tugo. Mention Akunara Tugo for me. Let him come. I know he's watching right now. So I know he's watching right now. Okay? I can't take the call now. Akunara Tugo. Somebody should help me tag him. Somebody should help me tag him. 750,000 naira before Akunara Tugo. The judge of Supreme Court will start deliberating over the issue going on right now in his shrine. Okay. So let me call back this their close brother and know and find out if he creates new pages every day. Hello, bro. Hana, can I communicate again?
No, number phone about my two sisters. Number phone about that guy now. No, before their phone went off, if possible, they can record what is going on there. But I don't think there was a possibility, you know. Then now I don't know what to do because I need to communicate them. Where Malo, the next step I want to get.
Okay. Relax. I have to call Akunara Tugo now and tell him that those people he has in his shrine, he should let them go, and he has no right charging them 750,000 naira. I'll do that now. So, man, una see a CB. Nah. Akunara Tugo Okija. Okay. This is Akunara Tugo's number. I have it here because there was a time he called to threaten me. So I dished it back to him, and that was how I saved the number.
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Is this High Chief Akunara Tugo?
Yeah.
Ogugwapo Okija.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Governor Ezioku, the Shanamite. Anyway, matter there on your table today, and these people said they were charged 750,000 naira. So I said, okay. Anyway, one Mrs. Jennifer, gave him the invitation letter here, and that'll be your name come from the Akukweje Tuomo. So they said they were charged 750,000 before getting on the matter. So I said, okay, let me ask now if they are buying cows, sir. Yes, sir. If that matter can't be deliberated without 750,000. If the matter cannot be deliberated without 750,000, sir. Governor is hearing. I'm not expecting that. From first time threatening him now, so save all your number from that day. Apple, police matter kind of queba. I'm a police matter because it's okay. With this. Okay. Akunara Tugo, my man, get one to get. Get panonte now, gente. And every time you dey boil, we know they fight. Akunara to go, my man. Calm down. Danya, Apple 750. Apple ya, governor dey involved. Akunara to go, governor na agwa different thing. Apple mba. Ima mmadụ na-aba mba. Ị na-aba mba that time. Nah, my brother, I'm aware of the matter of 750,000 naira. Leave those people. Don't charge them such money. That's my message for you. Ndi talk threaten him. Guy, they go. I have done what I need to do. You understand? So you know go fit charge them. I don't say they're there with you. Ain't gonna let us see this video now. You see, now so they do. They go begin shout mad. The day when this guy called me threatening me, I chat for him. Come on. Not everything what they post on social media. It get matter with that guy they talk. One guy matter with him and the guy involved. So I did one corner plot him. In crossbar. I no post them for even for my main page. I no post that matter. So you know what him they complain and I say him they sell and they talk with the IPO. I mean I never talk with the IPO. No be the admin. Abi? Now the admin in charge there. I mean admin they talk for free. I say once he pay the money free I may go. So now that grudge is still there in mind. That thing still the points now. See you know expense I will call her for Oga, all those people they get their number. Now they fair come you. This Akunara to go on now we see what I call like this now. Now if they call me to threaten me, I shout for her, man. I shout for her. Even I let her post the video now. I shout for her. Our first day come. That's how they always do them. If you remember that video at my main page. So at my main page, what happened that day was he called me to threaten me. Say I go die, waiting I go sick, die, he go do me this. So I just dey calm. They answer him. After him talk, holla, drag heaven, come down for holla. I tell her, come on, shut up. As I tell her, shut up, cool, catch him. Because if he say all the while when they shout, say I don't collect parada, you don't understand. When I change her for him, he confirm and see this one I color in body code. I shout for him that day. So after then, I save Akunara to go full number. That's how you save her. No DB, I know they fear any of them. All of them I get their number. Nothing they fair call me. Either threaten me or you go and know one thing. Or you go and come with peace. Of which your peace for where if sir they fall for their trap. Nothing they always call me one way or the other. I think they always call me. So when you call me, I go save your number. I go save her. So when I like her, as I call her, he no say na me o. He no say na me o. I see here say Governor Zoku. I'm fine, Mr. Darlington. So Akunara to go. Those people you have in your shrine. Maybe he's still watching this video. That's what they do. Before you see me raise phone, call him. I know they fear. Oh God, those your small doll baby. Me. Madubu can carry those things because those your things on our road. I didn't do. But we did. See, Pikin will come out. Pikin, this parable I just want to give them for English so that everybody go understand that for normal broken pidgin. See, you see any bird will come out, use one leg, they dance for roundabouts. In dance, in go fly, go water, go touch in tail. He get different style of music when they dance. And now two people, Trap no dey kill am. Trap no dey kill that kind bird. Two, you see for normal chicken okuko Igbo, normal Igbo chicken, normal Igbo bird, bros. Anything we make one of his leg he cut, he dey always dey careful. Even kite no dey fit carry am. In the army, calabash where elder using hand they break. No say that calabash, she don't want one senior in own grandpapa, so he need to break him early. But when child breaks calabash, it is always assumed to be a mistake. So you get waiting the players where you know where either he big pass you, where make those your conco know they feel art, you know they feel the art where would they. That's why I always tell fans, don't follow me. The distance you see, the way you see me engage them. No follow me, no to follow me like that. If you are my supporter, stop at being my supporter. No cross that one. My person no hurt you because of me. Some people don't tell you these things. That time where they go defend Dibia too. They want to go defend Dibia against somebody. That person where they go fight, you don't know who him be. So you get to be careful. You get to be very, very careful. Or let's say that person where they support to know you one-on-one, he know how to defend you. Like members of the Shanamite WhatsApp group. That one now, if you do us one, if you do one person, you don't do me. So we will rush you. When you see them, they attack, they comment, they know say nothing they happen. Nothing. So no follow us. You dey get. This thing I do now, normal thing, justice and equity. Now they try to push to Akunara to go. So anyhow, well, like intake and make intake. But those now those money where they see where they throw for occasion, I be this so. As person come, there's someone person for your shrine, you go bill and 750,000 naira. It doesn't make sense, guy. So no those careless money, then go collect them from poor person by force. They go carry that money come occasion, come they throw them. Wow. You go declare for them. You go say, now people where they work for, now you can't tell them thank you. Now what you made they get 700. Just you can imagine say then someone 20 person come your shrine in a day. You they charge them 750,000 naira. Oh boy, check and act. Now in 30 days you know how much you will get? You know how much you will get? So now the kind of thing where you see what these guys they do. A lot of people don't understand these things. Those monies you see those DBS muzzling out is as the same lane through which pastors collect from the poor on the street. These people are collecting from the poor with megaphone, and the other people are burning incense and candle, collecting also from the poor by force. So when they collect from the poor, they come and spread the money or lavish the money on camera, then you will be moved to go back to these people and either complain one thing or the other. The more customers are coming, the more they are defrauding people, the more they are dealing with the society, and you don't understand because you don't want to understand. You see the way it is. So these things you see me teach or say here or do, okay, they are not just unprofessional. They are professionally made. We don't just do them, but we think critically. We think so deep. We exhaust our human capital on wisdom. That's what we do. Most times we will appear, we'll just maybe see 3 or 4 amongst I and my team here. You see us, we'll bring out a matter, start ironing it out, looking into it, considering facts and the other side. Everybody, see, take a shape out of yourself. There you'll be able to tell yourself the gospel truth. You know when you offend people, your conscience tells you. So we want to be conscious, not conscious. We want to be that conscience that pricks the heart of man. That is whom we want to be. So we'll sit back, we'll argue certain things, sort it out ourselves, and get the exact figures of truth. Then we'll take it home. Before you see me appear on cameras to say them, they must have been refined, scrutinized, and checkmated amongst us. See, we have resolved so many things. Do you know money is in circulation? Money is not as a block or cement you could just buy and keep in your house. Money is something that, according to your responsibility, you want to push out money to get certain things you need. You would want to go back again and hustle for money again, as against what you may be needing next. You understand? People whom are hungry today, they fed very well yesterday, but as the time and hours goes on, you will see reasons to eat more. So that's why you must go back to work hard. Now look at this thing. This is very simple. We come to occasion, we appear like 10 or 15. We sew the same clothes, make it look like we are possessed with demons, but while we are not. Then if we have occasions, we will come. Our members will come and spread money all over the place. They make an announcement, private or in the open there, that the devil we are serving is really, really rich and he's giving us money. For you to be our member is also possible, but there is a process. So they leave after announcing this thing, knowing fully well that the sons of nobody amongst you will sneak back to them at night and say, I want to belong to your court, because every average Nigerian believed 15 years ago that there is something they call blood money. So we grew up with that mentality. Our mentality, some of us couldn't just dissolve it, believing that these things are just film, like that of Billionaires Club by Pete Doche. You see, many of us, we were afraid of Peter Doche, thinking that the man is truly an occultic man. Kanayo, oh Kanayo. Everybody started calling him an occultic man.
Nice sacrifice.
A nice sacrifice, just like that. So people grew up with that mentality. Now, these native doctors, they went at that prick and waited for you, because you have believed that they can just cover a wardrobe, sacrifice human corpse or head or blood, the money will start flowing inside a room. But it never happened. You and I knows that this one no they exist. There is a process of printing money, which is the CBN, and even in world currency printing and circulation, there are laws. There are laws that your country cannot just wake up and start printing the naira notes and start using it to buy off all the dollars in the market. It's not like that. This is the way life is. So somebody will come and tell you that his deity ask you to pay 750,000 naira before he can even start deliberating over the issue. Have you ever heard any judge between the ambit of the laws of Federal Republic of Nigeria open his or her mouth and say before the court room that before I will proceed on this case, you people will bring money before I will start deliberating over it? No. But these ones are telling you that the same gods, they say that the gods are wise. The gods is not charging 750,000 naira. See how stupid people are. So after they must have gathered all these monies from you, they will now wear one frying pan. Like this one, this is my friend Akudara took always wear. You will see him wear fry pan, do his beers like this side, as if he's from China or India. Go, check his pictures now. He just do his beers this side, twist this up one, and now look like Charlie. And with his dada, and just imagine this kind of dressing. His dada, dreadlock, artificial, then cap representing royalty, then his hat will be reasoning another thing. Then inside of him, he's not the chairman or the king of the village. Then he still has the staff again of SMO in the other hand. So if you, by the time you compare all these things, you know that this person is a confused person. He is a disfigured thinker. He can't think right. So after he collects money from you, now he wear that fry pan. Go and check that his dressing. He wear something that looks like fry pan, call his beard like this, and now go and wear so Dan Chiki or Usman Dan Fodi and wear. You see him coming out and be doing as if the powers inside of him can no longer allow him raise his fingers or his legs anymore. Is that why you're afraid of him? You see the way I spoke to Akunara Tugun, I spoke to him as if he's just a brother, just a guy, small boy, of which I know he's not my senior, just a boy. Could be my mate or thereabouts. So why would I start being afraid of you? Because you said you are in charge of one noisy more shrine and all that. If I like, I go to the market, buy red wrapper, buy black, buy all those things, get maybe 15 or 20 chickens, kill them one day, then kill like 5 cows and call people to start eating and drinking. That I am not the SMO of Transamadi. You don't. And funny enough, I get level for Port Harcourt. Yes, with the zero the waka. Person know they tell us sit down. So on a normal now, I could just come Transamadi. Maybe I will just come for like Okuru waterside or somewhere there. Just find one place for waterfront to buy. Kill enough cow, call niggas, then men go just mount everywhere. We go chop, buru enough, just let everybody go away. I tell them say na maybe some more now. People, you go see the family come. So waiting. Now the only thing we go make I begin the fear. Who be that? Akunara Tugun. Guy, don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. My name is Governor Zoku. Thank you for being here with me.